And then it rained. Oh yeah, gonna get wet. Oh well. That's what happens when you ride in summer in Tasmania. Oh, did I say summer? Yeah. Yeah, New Year's Day 2017. First afternoon ride was lovely this morning. I've even got video footage of this morning still on the camera I haven't downloaded. And now we're riding home in the wet after leaving said secret location. And I've still got to stop and get milk. But you know what the really funny part is? I own 2 lovely sets of dry rider trousers and I'm not wearing any because it was sunny when I left home. Ah well, they're still making dry trousers. Got 2 arms, 2 legs and a heartbeat. Riding in the rain can't be that bad. Just got to watch we don't do any fucking accidental whoopsies, because these roads are slippery as snot. Feed the power in nice and gently. Did I say gently? Whoops! Whoa! Oh look, even the taxis are sugar cubes, hiding out the rain. What the fuck? Mate! Nothing like a ride in the rain. And we've got to stop and get milk yet. Alrighty, gently apply the brakes, dry them off a bit before we actually need to use them, so they're there. There we go, now they're drying. Lovely, back a cog. Warm the front disc up a bit. Alright, 60k zone, don't accelerate just yet, Timothy. Alright, here we go, 80k zone, yay! And I think it's stopped raining. Could be wrong. Oh no, still spitting a wee bit. Watch the ball bag. Don't you mean watch the birdie? No, on this road you got to watch the ball bag. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, when you carry your camera with you on your hip, you make sure it's an underwater camera. Works for me. Alright, warm the brakes up. Oh, I do love that RF900R whistle.